Hello everyone, I hope you all are keeping good health. Today we will start with Chapter 4 Simple Equations. Before moving to simple equation, I will recall some topics. They are constant. A constant has a fixed value. Example 4 minus 10, 528, number of sides in a square. Variable. A variable can take various values. Its value is not fixed. So, a constant has a fixed value, whereas the variable value is not fixed. We may use any letter, any small case letter, N, L, M, P, any, to show a variable. Example, the length of side of a square is not fixed. It can have any value, so it is a variable. So my dear children, let's say an example of square. So whenever we are having a square, we have 4 sides in a square, but the length is not fixed. It depends on the sum. Next is algebraic expression. The expressions are formed by performing operation like plus, minus, into, divide on the variable. Here 6 is a constant, x, y, z is a variable, plus, minus, into, divide is algebraic operations, and 4x plus 9y plus z is an example of algebraic expression. Now moving to equation. Now what is equation? So an equation is a condition on a variable. In an equation there is always an equality sign. Equality sign means there will be an equal to sign. The equality sign shows that the value of the expression on LHS is same as the value of the expression on RHS. So the sign shows that whatever value is there on left hand side is same as the value on the right hand side, but as per the definition it will be true only for a condition on our variable. Our equation remains the same when the expression on the left and on the right are interchanged. So if we interchange the place of left hand side to right hand side, the equation will remain the same. Now let's see an example. Here 2x plus 4 equals to 8. As you can see, there is equal to sign, so it's an equation. Now here 2 is a coefficient, x is a variable, 4 and 8 are constant, and this is a equal to sign, which is showing that the part on the left is equal to the part on the right. So this equality sign is to show that both the parts are equal. This is a left part, which is known as left hand side. This is a right part of the sign, it's right hand side. Left hand side and right hand side are equal for a particular condition on a variable. As a whole, this is termed as equation. Now, moving to exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Complete the last column of the table. Here in this question, table is given to you and you are supposed to complete the last column as per the column given to you. Now, columns are serial number, equation, value. Say whether the equation is satisfied, yes or no. Satisfied means whether the equation is true, whether LHS is equals to RHS, yes or no. So the first one is x plus 3 equals to 0, where the value given of x is 3. Dear children, we will use mind calculation here. So what we are supposed to do here is, we will put the value given to you on the left hand side and check whether the value is equal to the right hand side. So here we are supposed to use 3. Now 3 plus 3 gives you 6. But on the right hand side, you can see it's 0. And 3 plus 3 on the left hand side will give you 6. So are they equal? No, they are not equal. So the answer is no. Now the next one. Now here we are supposed to use the value as 0. Now solve. 0 plus 3 on the left give you 3, but on the right it's 0. Again the answer is no. Next, the value is minus 3. Now when we replace x by minus 3, you will get on the left hand side minus 3 plus 3, that is 0. So answer is yes. Next is x minus 7 equals to 1 for the value x equals to 7. Now when you will replace x by 7 on the left hand side, you will get 7 minus 7 as 0. But on right hand side it's 1. So your final answer is no. Now in fifth, it's given x minus 7 equals to 1. And you have to check it for x equals to 8. So x minus 7, 8 minus 7 will give you 1. Yes, it is equals to right hand side. So your final answer is yes. Now the next one is 5x equals to 25 or x equals to 5. Now dear children, 5x means 5 into x. Now when you replace x by 5, you will get 5 into 5, that is 25. Yes, which is equals to right hand side. So the final answer is yes. Next, 5x is equals to 25 for x is equals to minus 5. Replace x by minus 5 on left hand side. You will get 5 into minus 5, that is minus 25. So answer is no. Next, m divided by 3 equals to 2 for m equals to minus 6. Replace m by minus 6. So minus 6 divided by 3 gives you minus 2. But the answer is 2 here on the right hand side. So it's no. Moving to 11th. M divided by 3 equals to 2. For m equals to 6. 6 divided by 3 gives you 2. Yes, it is equal to RHS. So the answer is yes. Moving to question number 2. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. Now for this, what you are supposed to do is, whatever values given to you in the bracket, you will substitute it in place of variable and then finally check whether LHS is equals to RHS or not. If it is, then it's a solution. If it is not, then it's not a solution. So here we are supposed to use 1 in place of n. First we will solve LHS, which is n plus 5. Replace n by 1. Now add 5 to it. as it is. When you will solve this, you will get 6, but RHS is 19. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So as LHS is not equals to RHS, we can say n equals to 1 is not the solution of given equation. The value given to you in the bracket is not the solution. B. Here you are supposed to replace n by minus 2. Move to LHS first. 7n plus 5. Replace n by minus 2. 7n means 7 into n. So you will write it as 7 into minus 2 plus 5 as it is. Solve the first part. You will get minus 14 plus 5 as it is. Solve them. One is negative, one is positive, different sign, subtract. Answer will have the sign of the greater value, that is, the answer will be minus 9. But RHS is 19. Again, LHS is not equals to RHS. So, n equals to minus 2 is not the solution of given equation. Moving to C. 7n plus 5 equals to 19. For n equals to 2. LHS 7n plus 5, we will replace n by 2. So you will get 7 into 2 plus 5. Solve. We will get 14 plus 5. Solve them. You will get 19. Yes, RHS is also 19. Both LHS and RHS are equal. So n equals to 2 is the solution of given equation. For p minus 3 equals to 13, for p equals to 0. We will replace in the LHS p by 0. 4p means 4 into p. You will replace it by 4 into 0 minus 3 as it is. Solve 4 into 0. What you will get? Yes, 0 minus 3. Now 0 minus 3, you will get 3. But 3 is greater and it's having minus sign. So your final answer will have minus sign in this. Now RHS is 13. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So your final answer statement is p equals to 0 is not the solution of given equation. Moving to question number 3. 5p plus 2 equals to 17. What you are supposed to do here? Solve the following equation by trial and error method. We are supposed to replace p by different values till the time you will get LHS is equals to RHS. Let's start with LHS now. Here LHS is 5p plus 2. I am starting from p equals to 1. Replace p by 1. You will get 5 into 1 plus 2, which is equals to 5 plus 2, which is equals to 7. It's not equals to RHS. Now I am using 2. 5 into 2 plus 2, which will give you 10 plus 2, which will give you 12. Again, it is not equals to RHS. Now I will take 3. Now when you will replace p by 3, you will get 5 into 3 plus 2, that is 15 plus 2, that is 17. Yes, it is equals to RHS, which is 17. So, as LHS is equals to RHS, for p equals to 3, we will say p equals to 3 is the solution of given equation. So my dear children, this method of using number of values for a particular variable to find a value where LHS is equals to RHS is a trial and error method. Question number 4. Write equation for the following statements. The sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. The first part is sum of numbers x and 4. Just concentrate only in this part. Sum of numbers x and 4 means you are supposed to add them. First you will write x, then plus, then 4. Next is is. Is means equal to. Next is 9. You will write as it is. This is your final equation. 2 subtracted from y is 8. So first part here is 2 subtracted from y. From means the order will change now. So first you will write here y minus 2. Now the next part is. Is means equal to, and then 8 as it is. Moving to next. 10 times a is 70. So 10 times a means what? Times means into. So what you will do here is you will multiply 10 by a. Is means equal to, and 70 will come as it is. Now as you can see on the left hand side, it's 10 into a. You can replace it by 10a equals to 70. This is your final equation. Next, 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4 of t is your first statement. 3/4 means 3 by 4. Of means into, t as it is. Is means equal to, 15 will come as it is. Again you can replace the LHS as 3 by 4t equals to 15. Now next, if you take away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. The first part is, if you take away 6 from 6 times y, from means order is changed. So first you will write for this 6y, take away means minus 6, you get means equal to 60 will come as it is. If you add 3 to 1/3 offset in this one, first we will evaluate this. So what you will get here, add 3 to means again order is changed. First you will write 1 by 3 set, add 3 to it, and finally you get means equal to 30 as it is. Moving to question number 5, write the following equation in statement form. Equation is given to you and you have to write statement for it. First part, solve LHS p plus 4. P plus 4 means we are finding the sum of p and 4. And what is the result is 15. So your answer is the sum of p and 4 is 15. Next is 2m equals to 7. Again, what do you mean by 2m? 2m means twice of m. And final answer is 7. So 2 times n is 7. Next is 3 by 5m equals to 6. 3 by 5 means 3/5 of what? Of m is 6. Next is 4p minus 2 equals to 18. Solve the left part. 4p minus 2. It means we are subtracting 2 from what? From 4p. 4p means 4 times p is 18. So 2 subtracted from 4 times P is 18. Set up an equation in the following cases. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. As we can see here, 2 statements are given. One statement is a relational statement, relation is given to you, and in the second, a total is given to you. It's a simple statement. So first, to find out the relation, the value of Parmeet's marble should be known to you, but it's not given here. So we will assume it. We will assume Parmeet marble as M. So your first statement is, let number of marbles Parmeet has be M. Now as per the condition, it's given he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Now 5 times the marble Parmeet has means 5M. More means plus 7. Now the next is, this is the expression for Irfan. But in the next statement, it's given Irfan has 37 marbles in all. It means this equation, this expression will be equal to 37. And finally, this is your equation. Moving to the next. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So here the first statement is the total age of Lakshmi's father is given to you. And in the second, his age is related to the Lakshmi's age. So first, you should know what is the value of Lakshmi's age. So we will assume this Lakshmi's age as Y years. Now when you will relate, the statement is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. 3 times means 3Y. 4 years older means plus 4. Final age of Lakshmi's father is 49. It means this expression is equal to 49. This is your final equation. Moving to next, the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. So, in the first statement, the highest is related to the lowest. So, first we will assume the lowest marks. So, let's say the lowest marks be L. Now, as per the condition, the highest marks is twice the lowest marks plus 7. Twice means 2L plus 7 as it is. This is the expression for the highest marks. But in the second statement, it's given highest score is 87 in all. So, we can write equals to 87 here. This is your final equation. Moving to fourth one. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Now first, what do you mean by isosceles triangle? Yes, isosceles triangle means a triangle where two sides are equal. Here in this diagram, the triangle, we are naming it as A, B, C. So this is a triangle ABC where A is a vertex angle and B and C are the base angle. Now, as I told you, this is an isosceles triangle, so two sides are equal. Let's say AB and AC both are equal sides. My dear children, if the sides are equal, if the sides are equal, then the base angles, the opposite angles are also equal. So here angle B and angle C both are equal to each other, and these are base angle. In the question, the vertex angle is related to the base angle. So what we do here is we will first assume base angle to be as B. Now because we are assuming base angle BB, so here in the diagram we can see this angle B and angle C value will be equal to B. Here we can see B is B and C. The value of angle C is also B. So the base value we are assuming it as B. Now as per the condition given in the question, vertex angle is twice the base angle. Twice means whatever value is given for the base, just multiply 2 to it to get vertex. So here B is the value of base. So what will be the value of A? What you will get in A? A will be 2B. Now, as you can see in the diagram, all the three angles are known to you. Yes? Now, how will you relate them? To relate these three angles, we will use angle sum property. Angle sum property means when you add all the angles of a triangle, you will get 180. So as per angle sum property, you will add all the three angles. Your first angle is 2B, then it's B, then again B. When we add all the three angles, the answer is always equal to 180 degree. Now solve the left hand side. 2B plus B plus B will give you 4B equals to 180. I hope whatever I explained to you in this video is clear to you all. Thank you, my dear children. God bless you.